Hello everybody, today we're going to be testing for a blown head gasket. Right here there's a special solution that you would pour into here, as I'm about to do. Let me get my phone set up here. The blue chemical. See it fills up right there. We will set it on the radiator. If that chemical turns yellow, the blown head gasket, it detects carbon monoxide. I'll set it down inside of the burper. You can do it without the burper, but it works pretty good. Now you want to start the car up. Sorry about that. I had to find the key. Obviously, we would only use this for severely blown head gaskets. I'm sorry, minor blown head gaskets. If you have a severely blown head gasket, you would know it's forcing the fumes through there. I'm watching the color. It looks like it's changing color. That's not a good sign. We start out with a really dark blue color. Uh-oh. We might be giving the customer some bad news here soon. Because as you can see, the color is changing lighter and lighter. See how blue it is here? See if I can get a better look in the bottle. It's not a severely blown head gasket, but the dark blue originally. So I light it. It's almost turning yellow. It's like a deep ocean blue. I'll take it out in the light so you can see better. So we start out with a real dark blue. If it doesn't have a blown head gasket, it won't change at all. So this is a confirmed blown head gasket. You can simply order this kit from Amazon.